Greetings and good day. I hope you're doing great. I'm here with you for the daily Bitcoin analysis on May 27th. In the past weeks, we saw that after setting a new low, the price made a corrective move upward, reaching the OT area of the Fibonacci lines and the 50% line of the weekly FPG zone. After reacting to this level, we are now witnessing a price pullback. By examining the daily time frame, we can see that Bitcoin's price was in an uptrend, consistently forming higher highs and higher lows. However, after the pullback we saw from the $82,500 area, the price has now returned to the daily order block zone, and at the moment we can consider this area as the most important support zone. If this support zone is broken to the downside...
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
We can also expect a further decline in Bitcoin's price. We are currently analyzing the capital inflows and outflows in Bitcoin ETF funds. Here you can see that over the past 2 weeks, there have been consistent capital outflows from these funds, and on average we can note that so far, more than $2 billion have exited these funds. Meanwhile, we can see that the Fear and Greed Index has once again returned to the fear zone at a value of 37, and it has even decreased compared to last week. We are currently analyzing the 4-hour time frame. Here we can see that after the price broke below its previous main bottom, it quickly rebounded upwards and managed to stabilize above this range. Based on this, for the midterm, the high and low of the formed wave will be the most important support and resistance levels for the price, and the price can continue in the same direction by breaking either of these lines. Up to this point in the day, what we've observed is that the price, following the continuation of yesterday's downward movement, reacted to the 4-hour FPG zone and moved back up again. If the last candlestick we see closes as a bullish candle, we can consider this as strategy number 4, because the price has approached a level like the 4-hour FPG with bearish candles. In the last bearish candle, we see the price was unable to close below its previous low, and now in the live market candle, the price has collected the liquidity from the previous lows and the FPG zone and is moving upward. After this candle closes, we can enter a buy position, set the stop loss below the low of the shadow candle, and aim for a 1-to-1 and 1-to-2 RBR ratio. We are currently analyzing Bitcoin's liquidity map. As mentioned, we can observe the main buy-side and sell-side liquidity after the high and low of the main wave. Based on this, the main buy-side liquidity is located around $78,400, and the main sell-side liquidity can be considered at the price of $73,930. We are currently analyzing the 1-hour time frame. Here, as confirmation of the strategy we mentioned in the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the price dropped down to the FPG zone, and after touching the 50% line of this area, it rebounded upwards. When entering this strategy, you should still keep in mind that the markets are highly sensitive to published news, so try to make your trades risk-free as quickly as possible after entering a position and exercise greater risk management. Wishing you success and profits.